Blessed love, blessed love. Give thanks and praise unto the Father, His Majesty the King, for His guidance and protection. Each and every blessed day of my life, I continue to ask Him for His blessings upon my children, dear children, my family and friends, because without Him I am nothing. First thing first, this is how can I help speak on this. Kind of a little bit hype tonight, yeah. How can I help speak on this channel? And this is Murphy. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Alright, and when you subscribe, you click that notification bell and it let you know what's going on. Now, this channel more and more I start feeling like my viewers and my subscribers is like we're a big family. You know, I feel like I can come to you and just reason with you. I don't have to pretty up anything. I can just reason with you and, get some full reasoning back. To the viewers and subscribers, I want to say it again. Appreciate your time for viewing my video. Appreciate the time you take and subscribe and so forth. Thanks for your comments and all these things that you send back and your feedback. I really appreciate it. Appreciate it a lot. See my channel taking its time and growing. Yeah. Okay, so let's get into it. What are we going to talk about tonight? I want to talk about the females. Yeah, females who I love so much. I want to talk to you guys tonight. And the reason why I want to talk to you guys tonight is because I've seen something and it really bothered me. Yeah. In lots of countries all over the world, females, in some countries, the females are treated a certain way. Yes, there's some countries where females have to walk behind the husband or can't eat around the table with the husband, have to eat in the kitchen, a whole bunch of things. No, I always tell myself, I want a woman to walk with me. You understand what I'm saying? I don't want no woman with me have to overpower. Because this power thing that we have as a man, we're taking it a bit too far. I want my woman to walk with me, not behind me. And when I have visitors or we're having dinner, she have to eat in the kitchen or whatever. No, we all gonna sit at the table and do that. Respect due to all women. Respect, because if the woman never bring us forth, we would not be here. Me not care what nobody wants. And tonight topic, I know I'm going to get some burnout, but I really don't care. You understand? I don't care. I have sisters. I have daughters. I have nieces. My mother is still alive. Aunts. Oh yeah, I can go down the line. So respect due to women. And more respect due to even the oldest lady on the face of the earth, Miss Violet. Respect due to your lady. And I really hope that she's still living, yeah, and give us a few more years before she goes. So all these things combined together why I really want to talk about the females tonight. And the thing that bothers me, why I'm going to get on the topic now is, I've seen this female. I was watching a video. It's all over social media, I think. A channel called Rapper Crapper. Rapper Crapper on YouTube, and I think he's on Facebook too. Yeah. So anyway, the video, I think it was about 40 minutes long, 40 seconds long. This man, this guy, I ain't no man, have a dog collar around his girlfriend's neck and take her for a walk. Went to the liquor store, put the strap over the post. She sit down like a little dog. He went into the store, got what he want, and came out and almost leave and forget. And she still sit there like a little dog. And he turned back and pick up the rope and lead her off. When I see that, man, honestly, I don't know if I should want to cuss, cry, or what, but it is very degrading because it's out in the public. It is very, very sad. Very sad. You know, and I can't cuss. So all of us always say it's very sad. It is both sad and degrading. Ladies, I'm going to make you people see the video and then we'll talk when after the video we'll talk. Okay? Set up my little stand right there, so.
Why the bongo push the grass cat this? In a real life. Don't even remember say.
Okay. Now, as you can see that little clippings there. Ladies, if you are stooping and putting yourself in situation that man will treat you this way, you have nobody to blame. But I don't think you should stoop that low. I don't think you should give no man no power over you. And him not God. People look how the man have the dark color on the woman, and like I said, I have sisters and I have daughters. I have nieces. And honestly, man, if I ever in my lifetime you see them degrade themselves that way, me personal, I'm telling you, me personal, and trust me, I have some brothers, and I don't mean like 2 brother or 3 brother or 4 brother. I have more than 10. And trust me, I know 2 teeth will fly out. I know 2 of them would have get boxed down. May I be honest? How you can make a man treat you that way? That way. Like you're a dog. You know, you hear the phrase when you're growing up, oh, people treat people like dog. There it is. So you can imagine him probably feed her in a bowl and she have to bend down and eat it too. I never, ever treat any of my girls them like that. Never. Not even my son. Put a collar on them like them a dog. Not even for joke. And this man take his girl and went to the liquor store, put the strap around the pole, went in, got his 40, come back out, and forget that his dog is there. I know we as man, we're dangerous, you know, man. We're dangerous. We're dangerous. You know, back in the days, they said white people used to hold down black people. But more and more as I look, we same one holding down each other in this time and going forward and degrading each other. How can a woman let a man do that? How Can anybody let anybody do that to them? Whether it's a man, a woman doing it to a man or a man, that is degrading. And I walk you out the street and put your leash on pole, and the young lady is very cute. Her hair is very nicely done. She look clean. And him feel saying big because him can walk female dog. Him female dog. So when people see her out the street and call her dog, no, she can't say nothing. Can you imagine that? I've never seen that before. Out in the public. Never seen it before. Never seen that before. The man a walk him girlfriend like him a walk him dog. Ladies, you let these things happen to you? Come on. Come on. I know woman's strong because we hear it all the time. And the things a woman can do, we can't do it. So we need to find back on the backbone. Find back your backbone. And stand up. And not make that happen to you. I don't care who begs. Me no care. Me no care. And if any one of my daughter them make man do that to them, I'll box them one of them or anyone. Trust me. Literally I would. Some things that we as men do, man, I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed as a man. I am embarrassed. It's sick and disgusting. Trust me upon that. And I'm not taking it back. Some of we not deserve to even walk on the same street a woman walk on. Trust me. It's sad, man. It's sad. When we not kill them, we are beat them up, we are stab them up, we are treat them like dog. And then we want to lie down with them too. We want to lie down with them. Murphyshes and Murphets, don't let me down, man. I'm a man, but I'm not going to stand for that. I'm going to stand with you guys for defending our rights. Now make no man come take no advantage of you no more. And I treat you them way, man. Come on, man. That girl seems like she can't go no way. No, I do nothing. She on the wraps. Viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think. What do you think about this video? You know, a little clipping that you see and what really take place there. Can't believe it. Can't believe it. Cannot believe it at all. How can that happen? How can you make a man treat you that way? That's not right. That's not right at all. You degrade yourself. Take a look. Go watch it again.
How the bongo push the garage cat this? In a real life. don't even remember say.
Anyway, viewers and subscribers, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Alright? Always leave your comment. Always leave a comment so we can talk. Alright? Because things like these are things that, you know, ladies, especially the ladies me I talk to tonight, like to say, this is all about you. Don't let these things happen to them. When I make man do too much bad things so no enough to stand up now. I'll be honest, enough to start bust our head now. I know there's some tough woman out there that these things cannot happen to. Me know one woman for sure. Believe you me, people, will be tell you say no man on the face of this earth could ever do anything like that. The lady with me call my mother will give birth to me. Me know that for sure. I like me say my mother a gangster. Trust me, old soldier in the army. A man not get them rights they over she. And ladies should not give no man that much power. And him no God. Listen, I really fool. I mean, no one no fool. Peace out, Murphicious and Murphets. Before I forget, one of my subscribers, she just subscribed to my channel lately, about I would say about a month or 2 months now. Her name is Jackie Johnson. Now I said big up to all of my subscribers and my viewers all the time, but this lady seemed to on top of my videos and she always leaving a comments and you know she always doing all them things, so I wanna big her up. Alright? Murphicious and Murphets, stand up strong. Alright?